Hey editor, could your edits land higher paying clients without adding more hours to your week? For Amog, the results spoke for themselves. He went from $300 per month to $1,200 a month while actually reducing his workload. Amog had been editing for a while, but he was stuck in what he called the mediocre equilibrium. That point where you're good enough to get some work, but not good enough to break past low paying gigs. He didn't know what to change. Learn more effects, work faster, take on more projects. Nothing was clicking. And after watching every editing tutorial on YouTube, even the psychology focused ones, he got burnt out. Then he joined Elite Editor Academy. He almost didn't join, by the way. After all, if YouTube hadn't solved the problem, why would this be any different? But deep down, he knew he needed something different. Real world psychology, not recycled tips. Now inside, he learned to approach YouTube videos like movies, not just lining up clean cuts, but building stories that make clients feel something. That psychological shift completely changed how his clients saw him. Almost immediately, his retainers jumped from $300 a month to $1,200 a month, while his workload went down. Who was he working with? A venture capitalist, a venture capital firm. He's become so good at storytelling and audience psychology that he now works alongside me as an assistant editor for one of my 700,000 subscriber YouTube clients. That client even offered to pay extra just for Amog's psychology notes. Proof that when you understand how to edit for the viewer's mind, your value skyrockets. But here's the crazy part. He found me on YouTube while watching a Will Tennyson video, who's got 4 million subscribers. He realized I was Will's main editor and wanted to learn from someone actually working at the level he aspired to. Now he's winning projects worth $1,700 a month for just 4 podcasts, the kind of opportunities he'd never even knew how to access before. So here's a quick strategy you can use right now. When you edit, don't just ask, is this cut smooth? Instead, ask, how does this moment move the story forward? If it doesn't move the story, cut it. If it strengthens the story, highlight it. That subtle change is what separated Amog from editors stuck at $300 a month. He could have stayed there another year grinding out edits with no end in sight. Instead, he invested in himself, made the leap, and unlocked the next level in weeks. If you'd like to get results like Amog, you can join Elite Editor Academy today. Y'all have a good one.